next morning, I read the stories of the brutal murder of the two police officers. I also read the witness's statement about the bullets having no effect upon the killer. I felt sorry for the witness, and I thought about how easily a person's mind can become confused when suddenly they receive a brutal shock. I didn't believe a man existed who could not be stopped by a slug from a .45.
I've got a different idea. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nobody's gonna hurt you. You know they're out there, don't you?
I saw my husband killed, torn to pieces right in front of our house.
There, don't cry. Hear that music? Well, what do you know? She laughed hardly. She's afraid of something.
I told you not to call anyone.
Please stop, please. Stop it, please. You're making me sick.
Why do you turn
Please.
away?
Please.
Why do you turn away? You are infected. Watch out! Why do you turn away?
Stop, please. Stop it, please. You're making me sick.
Why do you turn away? Why do you turn away?
Please.
You are infected.